Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video I'm going to be showing you the daily cipher word, which is ledger. So L-E-D-G-E-R. Okay, ledger. As always, we line up the letters L-E-D-G-E-R. You excuse my handwriting, okay? Now we find the corresponding Morse codes. We start with L. L is here, so we shall tap, long press, tap, tap. Say tap, long press, tap, tap. Then E, we should get used to it. So E is a single tap. E is a single tap. Then we look for D. D is here, long press, tap, tap. So D is long press, tap, tap. Then we look for G. G is long press, tap. G is long press, tap. Then E, you just tap, as you can see here. Then we look for R. R is here, tap, long press, tap. R is tap, long press, tap. Then let us get the phone and enter in the Morse code. As always, click here in the middle where you're seeing Daily Cipher. Click there until this button turns red. Then let us start putting in the Morse codes. L, we said tap, long press, tap, tap. That's L. Then E, single tap. Then D, long press, tap, tap. Then G, long press, tap. Then E again, just tap. Then R, tap, long press, tap. As simple as that. Lastly, click on take the price. Very simple. So today's word was ledger. Good job, CEO. Peace. I'll see you in the next video.